Magandang hapon po ng March 10, 2026 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng March 10, 2026 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto, 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, March 10, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for March 10, 2026 Tuesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, and Lotto 642 for Tuesday, March 10, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for March 10, 2026 Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.